birthday fish, huh?
Hey, Emily, what did you just get for your birthday? Show Auntie Sadie.
Be careful.
That's your fishy.
You have to be gentle with your fish. He's real, huh?
Yeah.
He's a real one. You have to take care of him, huh?
Emily has a pet.
That's your pet. You could turn the light. Here's the light. You can turn it on and off. Right here. There's the button. See?
We could probably keep it up there.
Yeah, that's a good place.
We'll put him up there, okay? On this, by that wall.
What's the button for? A light?
Yeah.
That's a cute little tank.
I know. You got your own fish tank, huh?
I thought it was going to be plastic, but it's glass.
It's cool.
I already looked. That fish already looks bigger for some reason.
Because it's magnified.
It's really tough small.
Are you happy?
Eat this cookie.
She called me out. When Suzanne gave me a cookie yesterday, I put it in my purse and hid it because I didn't want to eat it. And she's all, look, your cookie's.
I know. You can't do anything.
I was recording you.
So cute. I love my daughter.
About the fishies.
I love
About the fishies.
I was recording.